back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone data entry, and it's not going to require any experience, so it's perfect for anyone who wants to work from home, even if you don't have experience to put on that resume. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to get that application in. And I just ask that if you enjoy this job lead, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. If you know anybody who could benefit from this, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company, the Healthmark Group. They only have 58 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information. Out of those 58 reviews, though, they are highly rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars. They're actually hiring for several remote jobs. This page that is linked in the YouTube description box is going to bring you to this main job page. Now, what you're looking for is the very top one on the right side. It says Data Entry Audit Intake Specialist. If you click that, that job will pop up. Now, a little bit about Healthmark Group. They're a provider of health IT solutions for healthcare providers. So they're not an actual hospital. They provide IT support to healthcare. But they're looking for somebody to join in this entry-level position. So entry-level, no experience needed. What you're going to be doing is preparing and sorting documents for data entry. You'll manipulate and duplicate Excel lists, identifying client and patient matches within the computer system, and entering data into the database software, checking to make sure that data is accurate that's been input. So you're going to double check all of that. You'll resolve any errors or discrepancies in the information, obtaining any further information in incomplete documents. So you're going to complete data entry of all the requests and record all relevant notes in the computer system. Now, one thing to note, it says you must dedicate at least 20 hours per week, but up top it says this is full-time, so I'm not sure if they're offering part-time and full-time positions. That'll have to be something to discuss with them. Now, as far as your requirements, no degree and no experience. They're looking for somebody who is computer literate. You can just work a computer, and basic computer programs like those Microsoft Office. Formal computer training might be advantage in progressing in this career. Someone who is great with attention to detail, great with grammar and punctuation, and the ability to work to time constraints. Other than that, no actual experience is required. Now, unfortunately, the actual pay for this position was not listed. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of research, and people who have previously done data entry at Healthmark Group stated that their base pay was anywhere from $30,000 a year all the way up to $41,000 a year. That'd be $14 an hour to $19 an hour, so that's just an estimate of what this probably pays. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.